Okay, so to get this off, I need to take off this center console. There's just 2 screws up top. There's 2 screws inside there. So I'm gonna get to those now, and then we will go from there. Okay, there was one more thing I wanted to get, and that was I wanted to measure the overall throw stock before versus after. I should have done it before, but I want to do it real fast so I don't forget. Alright, so this is 3rd gear. I'm going from the very tip all the way to the back, and that's just under 6 inches. I'd say 5 3/4. Yeah, about 5 3/4 inches from 3rd all the way to 4th. So we will see what it is. I'll measure side to side too. Okay, so side to side, I'm measuring off this side is about 2 7/8, about 3 inches. Let's say about 3 inches, almost 3 inches. Yeah, 2 7/8. It looks really good. So we'll call it that, and we will see after what it looks like. 3/8. Alright, we got it all in and all together, so we're going to take this for a ride and see how much of a difference we can tell. I can already feel it's way shorter, and the weight of the knob makes it feel really nice. So we'll go out, do some runs, and see how this feels. Just went for a little cruise. It feels great. I love front to back is really great, especially second to third. I don't think I can notice it too much left to right, but front to back is what really where it really shows. And even just not even just racing, just driving around, just dailying this, feels so good. It feels really notchy. It's just that weight makes a huge difference, and I love it. I'm really glad that I did this one. I wasn't too sure, but I'm glad I went with it.